going to go on to a question from Gofynnwyd Youth Forum about mental health. What they have asked is, how has COVID-19, the pandemic, affected people's mental health? And how is it, more importantly, I would say, affected mental health services?
So COVID-19 generally has had a major impact, particularly for children and young people, not having structure for the day, school routine, and having to live with the uncertainty of what's coming. That is hugely stressful for anyone, but more so for children and young people. So we were ahead of the game in terms of predicting that things will not be easy during or post-pandemic. So one of the things we made sure was to not shut down any service. However, there is still quite a huge amount of work that needs to be done because of the impact of people having to adjust to the new normal again. So we have seen an increase in the number of young people that are referred to services. However, the help that we have had with the use of digital technology meant that we are not in a stop and restart situation. We are just catching up as always.